What's up, guys? This is DJ Tanders. I'm a little bit pissed off right now. I actually woke up really early in the morning, maybe around like 5:36, just to record my unboxing ceremonies of this wonderful device. I thought I was done. I was trying to edit it, and the sound was so crappy. And that is because of my microphone touching my throat, which I did not notice. But anyways, I'm gonna pretend that that never happened, and this is the first take we're ever gonna do for this unboxing ceremony. So let's go hit it. Intro. Hit it! Alright guys, look what I found last night. It is the new AirPods Pro. Let's go review it, let's go unbox it. Get my initial thoughts, give it a try, compare it with my older AirPods and also my bling bling cans. And let's go check it out. Alright guys, this is the box, which I already opened this morning, but I kind of wanted to do it again. But basically, it comes with a good box, comes with instructions, and the egg-shaped AirPods wireless case. We'll put it aside, we'll inspect the other contents of the box. Oh, it actually comes with the silicone tips. Silicone tips. Small and large. The size that's on the AirPods now is medium. And a lightning to USB-C. Wait, where's the adapter? Oh, come on, Apple. Come on, Apple. You don't expect me to fork another $29 for that freaking adapter? You think I have plenty of money just laying around to give it to you? Come on now. What a big letdown. But it's a good thing I have an extra one, so it should not be a problem. Alright, let's take off the plastic and kind of see how this thing works. The shape is definitely a lot longer or a lot wider. There it is. The new AirPods Pro. Definitely a lot shorter. And the shape is really different. Button still there, still a lightning connection at the bottom, the LED light still there, right there. Let's actually pair it and see what happens. I'll be back. We'll go ahead and do a test run and kind of see how this sounds. Alright, let's put it on. Feeling is kind of weird because those silicone tips actually go inside of your ear canal, which is, if you're not used to it, it kind of feels weird, but it definitely seals it off really good. Let's load up some music and kind of see how it works. Well, I know how it works, but I wanted to see how it sounds. Give me a second. Oh, wow. You can hear the bass now. Interesting. Interesting. It's definitely a lot louder as compared to the older AirPods. You could feel the bass and the lows. You could hear and feel the tremble. The mids are okay. The highs are so-so. The reason why I want you guys to know about this is I don't know if you're like me, but I'm an audiophile. And basically what that means is that I'm really very particular about the sound and the equipment that provides the sound that I listen to. And what that means is that I just don't sell for anything just normal. I really wanted like a pure, good music and drive to my eardrum because I'm just that way, right? I mean, if you're gonna be listening to music, might as well listen to a good one. And not just good music, all music is good, but I'm talking about good fidelity, good quality. That's what I'm talking about. And with this new AirPods, it's pretty cool. I like it. I like the notion of, I like the functionality of noise cancellation. Basically, you can't really hear anything from outside. Well, you could, but it's not really a full-on noise cancellation because you can still hear a tiny bit of things. But for the most part, everything is blocked off, so you can focus more on what you're listening to, which is great. The size factor and the fit is a lot better than the older AirPods. So I personally think it's definitely worth the investment. I remember when I first got my original AirPod, which is this, the grandfather of all AirPods. This is the generation 1. I think it was like $160, $179. So for a few dollars more, definitely worth the effort there, or worth the price. This one is actually going to retire now, so this is actually his retirement party. The reason why I bought a new one was not to be cool or anything, but as you know, I have a full-time job, and full-time jobs require you to be on conference calls most of the time, and this has been my buddy for a long time. I've been traveling with this. I've been to different countries with this. I've been in different successful and failed meetings with this. So it feels like this is my buddy that I'm gonna be retiring soon. So this one does not last for a long time now. So after you put it on in a full charge, it lasts for maybe 10-15 minutes and just like doo-doo-doo-doo. That means you have low battery or your battery's about to go out. And I can't really depend on this too much, and that's the reason why I'm buying his baby brother the AirPods Pro, or I bought the AirPods Pro because I really need it for work. But at the same time, it's a cool factor. I'm a technologist, so I always wanted to try the latest and greatest. But for the most part, I'm really happy with this purchase. I thought it was just a gimmick, or maybe it's too early for me to actually call victory on this one, but for the most part, I really like what I heard. I really like the form factor. I like the added functionality and newer battery. So can't go wrong with that. How does it compare to my ultimate cans, which is the Bang and Olufsen H9i? This guy has been my go-to every time I would edit videos like this, or listening to like pure on soul/jazz music, where you can hear all the spectrums across the different bands. this is the headphones to get. However, it's obviously bulky, so I don't really bring it with me all the time. It's just here at home, but this is my go-to every time I wanted to hear like a good on, full-on fidelity type of sound. This is the way to go. Bang and Olufsen H9i. Can't go wrong with this. But for now, I don't want to focus too much on this Bang and Olufsen. I wanted to focus more on this. And I guess DJ Tanders is giving this guy a big thumbs up. I hope you like my review there. It's not really a review, it's more of like, you know, a comparison between the older one and my other can. It's not really unboxing because it's already unboxed. You know what? I just kind of wanted to be with you guys. That's all. And I wanted to share with you guys my new toy. And hopefully you like this video. I wanted to hear more about your comments. If you have an AirPods Pro already, I wanted to hear more about what you think. If you don't have one and thinking about buying one, I definitely recommend it. Yeah, I think I did a good investment, a good choice. That was my trick-or-treating prize last night. That's all I have to say. Again, thanks for sticking with my channel, with my unboxing, with my review, whatever you want to call it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe down below and always click on the bell so that you, Tander Nation, will get notified every time I upload a new video. Until then, Tander Nation, happy Halloween. Well, it's not Halloween anymore. Happy 1st of November. And I'll talk to you soon. Adios.